This looks so wrong. This is butter. Oh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Okay, I might just cut the butter at the end of the video, so stay tuned. In this one, we're putting head-to-head butter and QP mayo. Now I wanna see what happens when I do QP mayo on one side and then butter on the other side. And we're gonna see which side toasts better. Does it even make sense to use QP mayo for toasting bread? We'll find out. This is the QP mayo, this is the butter. I'm putting little flags down just to remind myself what's what. In the comment section on my viral video, people were saying, oh, you mixed it up, this side's the mayo, that side's the butter. Like, yo, you guys are wrong. I got my sides right, okay? Go back to the video, check it out. I am so impressed with this. Before showing you this, I'm gonna set this aside. I wanna do this with a steak. Let's see what's better for a steak, mayo or butter. This is why I don't like shopping on Saturdays. I have to park all the way in the back. This is my favorite steak, New York strip. I'm just gonna cut this in half, do butter on one side, QP on the other side. I found this cute, tiny size QP mayo. Isn't this cool? I also never realized they have this little star tip at the end if you unscrew it. This looks so wrong. Okay, right now I'm running into an issue that I knew would happen. The butter is starting to burn before my steak gets to my desired temp. This is why I always use rice oil when sauteing and searing proteins. Okay, there we have them side by side, butter and mayo. The mayo did some weird cakey thing. I don't know if you could see that there, but there's like a weird like crust going on. I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, it could be. Now also, I haven't cut the butter yet, so stay tuned for that. But let's see the doneness on these steaks. Starting off with the butter. There you go, side by side. As you could tell, it doesn't really change anything on the inside. It's just the outside. It's the inside that counts. Yep. Still tasty steak. This was the bread, by the way. This is the butter side. This is the mayo side. Also, good soup is coming back, so let me know in the comments down below what kind of soup you want to see.